Alright guys, it's that time for another unboxing video. So today we're going to be unboxing WrestleMania 2020 Blu-ray. And when I do, I'm giving away that digital code for anybody who wants it. So let's check it out. Get in here. Okay, to the side. Look at the slip cover real quick. This has a Topps collect them all, one card in every pay-per-view release, chance at a signature card. Right on. So we have the front here. Too big for just one night. 2-disc set. There is the side here. Try not to get the glare. We have the back. Right on. Looks like we got a running time of 500 minutes. It's pretty long. Here is the digital code. First come, first serve, people, for you. Let's take a look at the inside. It does come with an insert, which is nice. Right on. We get a Kofi Kingston card. Cool. It doesn't look like it's signed, so no signature. And we got the discs here. Disc 1 here and disc 2, and it's cool that they have an insert. Right on. Put that in there. So anyways, there you have it guys. That was my unboxing of WrestleMania 2020 Blu-ray, and that is it for now. Y'all have a kick-ass day. I'm out of here.